can see your metrics about your sales, and you can see here that I'm getting sales by promoted sales 88% like of them. Like that's a huge number, like, so it's really something to consider. For me, like, I'm getting less revenue with less lower promo rate, but I'm getting higher profit margin. Every time they charge it is like when your item is selling from promoted sales. I think that's important to say. Like, if you're selling from an organic sales, you won't be charged that like 5% or like 2%.
What's up, guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk about promoted listings, what they are, how they applied, how to find them on your dashboard, how to find where they're charged, and stay till the end because Oliver kind of found something that a lot of you guys may not know how to check, and that's going to be at the end of the video. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Before we recorded this video, we were thinking about, we wanted to look at the percentage of sales that promoted listings are compared to organic listings. And the percentage on Oliver's account is pretty crazy. But before we get into that, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011, and we're trying to help you make money online on this channel. Oliver, you want to introduce yourself?
Yo guys, it's Oliver. I'm doing dropshipping for a living since like few months. And yeah, as a remote digital, so today we'll talk to you about few things that you guys maybe don't know, because I think it's kind of like secret how they do it.
And Justin, you want to introduce yourself?
Hey guys, my name is Justin. I live in Miami, Florida. I've been dropshipping for over a month, and it's pretty much really it.
Okay, so Oliver, you want to jump into your computer?
Yes.
So what promoted listings are? When you list an item on eBay, you have the opportunity to set a certain percentage of your sale price that would help get traffic on the eBay listing. So when your item is promoted, when someone searches, there's a percentage of items that shows as sponsored, and those, depending on the percentage you choose, that's how often you get set in that sponsored section on the top of the search. So that's effectively what it does to your listing. And on each listing, you could choose a percentage. But when we looked at the promoted listing in Oliver's dashboard, we saw the huge difference. So you want to look at that?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So we're going to performance, then sales if you want to see that, guys. Then you're scrolling down a bit and on promoted sales. So you can see your metrics about your sales, and you can see here that I'm getting sales by promoted sales 88% like of them. Like that's a huge number. Like, so it's really something to consider. Like,
yeah, like promoted listings. And then what is the promoted listing rate that you prefer? I think in your experience, what do you prefer? Let's start there.
so I think like I was doing before at 7% ad rate, but I was seeing like a lot of, like, for example, if you're selling an item like at $100, you will see like $7 going left for that item only by your promoted like listing, like only by
Right.
doing that. And that's not even like the eBay fees. So like for me, like, I'm getting less revenue with less with a lower promo rate, but I'm getting higher profit margin. So I think for me, like, yeah. So yeah, getting that's now how I see more things like.
That makes sense because initially I would say, okay, if 90% of your sales come from promoted listing, the initial idea would be let's tweak it and turn it up to get more sales. But because you're going from 2% to 7%, which is in promoted listing numbers, that's 5% difference. But if you're making 10% overall, that could turn out to be like another 12% margin on top. So the math
Yeah.
is different. Wow.
Yeah, that's really different. And like the way that they charge it, I think also maybe a lot of people don't know that, like, because it's not really clear on how, where those fees, because those fees aren't on your order sheet. They are like deducted from another place. So maybe a lot of people don't know that if you're not looking to your like available funds and stuff.
So go
You
to
don't
your
see
order
like.
sheet and go to and show exactly where it is charged.
So if you want to see where they charge, you need to go. Every time they charge it is like when your item is selling from promoted sales. I think that's important to say. Like, if you're selling from an organic sales, you won't be charged that like 5% or like 2%.
And
like
if you
whatever.
don't make sales, you wouldn't be charged either. because this is not
Yeah.
pay-per-click ads.
Yeah, exactly. That's important to say. So rather than like if you want to make an order, like for example, like if you're going to make an order and you'll see like your the fund that you will have for your items, like to go buy your item on Amazon. But what they don't show is like the fees of the the promotion
On
are
that
there.
page.
They are directly deducted from the payment. So if you're going there, you can see all those fees.
Yeah.
So all those fees are directly deducted from that item. So if you guys, for example, like selling an item on Amazon, if you're selling your item and you want to go buy your item, like how to say, you need to add your costs, and this also deducted from your item. If you got me, if I'm clear.
Right, I understand. The extra 2% is not clearly shown in other places.
Yeah, so like if you're not going to see there, guys, like those are all like you need to remove that from your profits.
Right, right, right. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, so that is just kind of, I hope you guys understand what promoted listings are, how they affect your sales. If it is affecting 90% of all of our sales, it is something that you should spend some time understanding, doing some research about. If you guys want any follow-up videos on promoted listings, let me know in the comment section. If you want any other type of videos, let us know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, look in the description for all the free resources, access to Ecom Sniper with an extra 500 credits, and Oliver's community, as well as my calendar if you guys want 30-minute free consulting of my time. Have a good one, guys. Later.
See you guys.
Later, guys.